Hello everyone, this is a few examples of exponential equations. So let's get right to it. Our first equation is 3 to the x equals 81. You might see right away that 81 is actually a power of 3 and it is 3 to the power 4. So we can just rewrite it right away. And once we make this observation, we have the same base, which is 3. That means the exponents should also be equal to each other, and we can solve that x is equal to 4. So that was for our first question. Let's go to question number 2. Our question 2 is e to the power 3x minus 18 equals 0. And to solve this, we should have everything that contains x on one side and everything that doesn't move to the other side. That's why we'll add 18 to both sides. And on our next step, we need to remember how to solve this. So if we have two functions that are equal to each other, if we take logarithm of both sides of the equation, they should not change. So in this case, because we have e over here, would be the best if we take natural log of both of the sides, and we'll just add the ln in front of both sides of the equation. And right now, we can also see that we have a power here with inside the natural log. So with this, we can take it and use the logarithmic power rule and move it right in front of the natural log. Also, in that element over here, we see that we have the same base as our SE. So they would cancel each other out. And we know that ln of E is just 1 from the base rule. So from here, the only thing that we need to do is to solve for x by dividing both sides by 3. And our solution will be x is equal to natural log of 18, the whole thing divided by 3, which if you plug it into your calculator is approximately 0.96. So that was about part B. Let's go and see what we can do about part C. In part C, we have 2 to the power x over 3 equals 1/3. And we already have the part that has x on one side and the other part that does not have x on the other side. So the next step will be to take logarithmic functions of both sides. In this case, I choose to take logarithm with base 2 because I have 2 over here right in front our x over 3, which is in the exponent. So by doing that, we'll cancel the base 2 on this side. Um, Again, we have the power rule. We can get the power of 2 moved right in front of the logarithm. So we got that x over 3, and we moved it right in front. And now here, we have a logarithm with the same base as the 2. And by using the base rule, we can cancel the logarithm out. So that whole thing here is just 1. And our next step would be to just multiply both sides by 3 and get the result for x. And if you plug in the result, you can just leave it like this. But if you plug it into a calculator, it will be approximately negative 4.75.